Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's episode brought to you by SCOUTLITE. SCOUTLITE has been cooking up some new gear, and they sent their newest gadget, the SparkO, to me. Not to be confused with their Blinko light, as this one is a cousin to their original flagship, and I think super user-friendly. This will be a shorter video as I wanted to focus solely on the SparkO and really unpack this gadget and see what it offers in its own video. The SparkO is small, as you can see, fitting comfortably in the palm of my hand, and the folks over at SCOUTLITE sent me my favorite color. They call this one Forest Moss, but they also have Glacier Blue, Black, and Canyon Clay Brown. It's housed in a silicone body that opens and closes with a really strong magnet. The light itself is not a directional beam of light, but instead it operates through the ambient dispersal of light. The on and off switch is in the center of the light, right under the logo. A quick press of the button will show the battery level indicated by how much of the ring is lit. A full ring equals full battery, a 3/4 ring, in my case, means 75% battery, and so on. To keep the light on, press and hold for 1 second. The light has a memory mode system, meaning the last setting that you left it in is what will come on when you turn it on again. To turn it off, press and hold for a second. You can cycle through the different modes, and there's 4 of them depending on your preferences. You've got cool white at 6500 Kelvin, warm white at 4300 Kelvin, warm at 2700 Kelvin, and finally the red light setting for different situations. Once you've found a setting that works for you, click once to cycle through eco, low, medium, and high. The red light setting has one additional setting, and that's this quick strobe setting. There is a second strobe setting that has longer time intervals between flashes, and this can be accessed from any setting by quickly clicking it 3 times. You will have to exit this strobe setting by clicking it again 3 times. The different lumen settings all have varying run times, so I'm going to show this graphic on the screen for you to pause and read at your leisure. Another feature to note is the lockout feature to prevent accidental battery usage, though it would be difficult to accidentally bump this power button. It's solidly built, and it's not easy to brush against it with this raised portion acting as a barrier to get to the button. To charge the SparkO, a USB-C port is on the bottom, protected by a dust cover. And the box came with a USB-C charging cable. There is another accessory, but I'll get to that shortly. The SparkO charges pretty fast, claiming a 2-hour charging time, and in my experience with it, this seems about right. The battery charge level will pulse a low red color, once for 25%, 2 pulses for half battery, and so on. The other accessory that SCOUTLITE sent to me is the magnetic mount. And off the bat, I really like how user-friendly this is. It's easy to collapse and slip into a pocket or a bag, and when you're ready to use it, the center just pops right up. Both the top and the bottom rings are magnetic, so it's really versatile, and I've appreciated this. You can also reposition the arm and the upper level to shine the light where you need it. It also came with a disc that you can stick and peel to any surface that wasn't originally magnetic, giving you even more options of where to place this. For now, I'll just keep it attached. So what are the applications for the SparkO light? Well, its primary usage is to be worn as an accessory for safety on nighttime walks, for cyclists at night, hiking, nighttime shifts at work, or even on the collars for our furry friends. Simply open the light, slip it over your clothing, and snap it shut. It's fairly lightweight and it doesn't really hang haphazardly on your clothing. The magnetization of the SparkO doesn't allow for this to fall off accidentally. It would require a very hard jostle or an intentional pull to take it off. I greatly appreciate the intentional and thoughtful rounded design to avoid snags on clothing, leashes, or even dog collars. The stand is perfect for placing it as a fill light for virtual meetings. In my case, I like the warm light for applying makeup. But it can also be a great travel ring light for video content creators as well. Overall, it's just a fantastic hands-free light. You just clip it on either on your clothing or on the stand and be done. For those of you interested in getting your hands on one, you can head over to SCOUTLITE.com and sign up for a late pledge to their Kickstarter campaign, at least at the time that this video was published. And because I'm not willing to review anything I wouldn't personally purchase, and although they did send this one to me for free, I happily purchased another one through their Kickstarter page and eagerly await its arrival. So thank you, SCOUTLITE, for sending this my way, and thank you, viewers, for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the SparkO in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.